Well, guess what? We're gonna have to go through Pet Patio because I can't go this close to one of my favorite places in Quartzsite, and we're definitely gonna have to go to Pet Patio here. I am.
You're that guy with Travels. Sorry.
Well, no, if you're okay with your voice being on the video, do you mind not being?
I actually
Great.
just
Okay.
put a video out and I thanked you for it.
Oh, really? Hey, what's your name?
My name's Brian. I'm with the Vintage Van Life channel.
Vintage Van Life.
Yeah.
That's how they find you? So
Yeah.
Vintage Van Life, just all together in one word?
But I got to thank you for coming up with that 10 of your friends videos and 10 YouTubers videos, because I did that.
Yeah.
I took that idea straight from you. I even say it on the videos, like I stole this from Rob at Travels with Dottie. So,
yeah, it was fun doing
it's
that.
a great video, and everybody
Unless
loved
you
them.
do what I did.
Uh-oh, what did you
I
do?
forgot a really good friend of mine.
Well, I said it a lot of times, like, if I forgot you, the best way to get back at me is to make one of these videos and don't put me in it.
Here's a Dottie sticker for you.
Awesome, dude. Would you like a Vintage Van Life sticker?
Absolutely, I would.
Awesome. I
It'd
got a whole...
go straight on my fridge.
And this will go straight on my YouTuber's door.
What do these stickers look like? Let me see.
You want a Travels with Dottie sticker?
There you go, man.
Thanks you.
Thanks, Rob.
Check it out.
Cool.
There you go. You got two of them.
I'll give you one of these if you want one of these, too.
Who's Dottie?
Dottie's, I'm Travels with Dottie, and that's Dottie. And Dottie is in the car with the engine running with the AC on her.
It's a pleasure to meet you,
Yeah,
man.
nice
I love
meeting
your videos, dude. I love your videos.
Thanks. All right, hey, thanks for stopping me. I enjoy that.
Have a great day.
Yeah. All right, so Pet Patio, we do a video every single year on Pet Patio. And these ladies don't seem like they want to be on camera, so, or gentleman and a lady. So, how much are nail clips for a dog?
10 to 15, depending on the size.
$10 to $15, depending on the size. Do you still have the wash stations?
Yeah.
Oh, they're in a different place. There are the wash stations. And how much do you use a station? 5 to 10. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So to tell you guys a funny story about Pet Patio, last year, the owner was here and I did an interview with her. Oh, okay. So you'll listen to the story. You'll think it's funny. So we got talking and talking, and I got Dottie, it's Travels with Dottie, her nails got clipped. And we had a nice interview, and I went home and I uploaded the video, and I don't really edit, so it was a continuous thing. And the first comment was, Rob, did you notice you did not pay that lady? I was mortified, mortified. I came the next morning and paid, but oh, I was just absolute. I left her like a voicemail like at 10 o'clock at night. I was mortified.
She didn't mind at all. We get so much sales from you. We really appreciate you coming in.
Sure. Sure, you want to put a couple of my cards out?
Yeah.
You know, I'll give you a few cards.
Yeah, we have a few cards right here. I think you're the one that started us doing the cards, actually. I mean, aside from our own cards.
Here, which one you want?
Either one.
Okay. Well, I'm a licensed therapist, so maybe under emotional support.
Nice.
All right, so this gives you an idea of all the things they have available here.
Harnesses, leashes, collars.
Snacks, doggy snacks, healthy ones. Hey, there she is. I was just telling your daughter the story about me walking out without paying last year.
And all the people said, hey, you gotta pay.
Yeah, so another season, so everybody, Travels Dottie watchers, come in here.
Thank you.
We got pet stations in a new place.
Yes.
But same deal, and she does really well, very quick on the clip and the nails.
Thank you.
So I'll be back with Dottie soon.
Okay. I don't even think I got to see Dottie last year. You kept coming without her.
No, that's what I didn't pay last year.
Oh, yeah.
I brought her in, I didn't pay until the next day. Yeah. All right. So, can you guys tell I'm having fun? Oh, it's hysterical. It's just every corner I turn is I find joy here in Quartzsite. So, and we still have errands to do. We're gonna go to Coyote Fresh Market. And yeah, I bought refrigerated stuff here, but look, let me show you what I do when I buy refrigerated food when I'm out and about. It's a lot of people do this. It's not a totally new thing, but it is for me. It just dawned on me this year that this would be a smart thing to do. Went to Walmart, bought one of these coolers. So I go in here and I look for, what do we got? That's all, none of it's refrigerated. Oh, there's cheese down in there. We put the cheese in there. I think everything else is non-refrigerated, but we have more cheese in here. Put there and there. Everything else pretty much is dry here. Can you believe that was only $19 for all that food? So this is my strategy to be thrifty in Quartzsite. Hi, Dottie. There's Dottie. And the AC was on the whole time, so she's happy, right? Okay. All right. So we're going to go to Coyote Fresh Market. It's a block away from another independent market called the Roadrunner. The Roadrunner and the Coyote. That's not a coincidence. So forgive me if I don't remember which is which, but there was one before the other. Let's just say, for storytelling's sake, it was the Roadrunner first. Someone was working there, had some sort of disagreement with the owner, so they decided to open a competing grocery store a block away. So they called it the Coyote, or maybe it was the other way around. So I can't remember, but I did talk. There was a video from 2 or 3 years ago where I talked to one of the family members and got the real story, but I just can't remember exactly, you know what I mean? But they're in competition, but they both do, on their own, they do very, very well. A lot of people do what I do, and I just go bounce back and forth. One time I'll go to Roadrunner, the next time I'll go to Coyote. Now, I will say for meats, I go to Coyote Fresh, as they have a, you know, like almost a butcher shop. You'll see. I actually, the case that displays everything, I just put a picture of that as the thumbnail in a video a couple days ago, and it got like 7,000 views. And I think it was because of the thumbnail. That's what I think. That the beef looks so good. Well, not just beef, but the meats look so good. And they are good. And I think they're competitively priced. I did it slow enough so people could read the prices. I challenge people, get on the internet and see what, you know, Walmart or Smith's and Parker is charging for the same thing. And I think it's going to be pretty darn close. I did do a comparison a couple years ago. And I found it was, when I did it, it was a little bit less. So up here on the left is Roadrunner, past the Mexican restaurant, Taco Mio. But you see Roadrunner there. And then Coyote Fresh is up here on the other side of the Chevron. So, Dottie, we need to buy your lean hamburger. And we'll wait for people to go by. I'm going to sound like a broken record because I'm going to say this on almost every video, especially when I'm driving in town. When you come to Quartzsite, be sure to bring your patience with you. And the closer it gets to January, the more of that resource you're gonna need. And go into every crowded store where you have to stand in line, look at it as an opportunity to meet wonderful new people. All right, so we're gonna go into Coyote Fresh. Dottie, we'll be right back. And trust me, she's very content. Yeah, we were able to run the car and lock it with the keyless entry. Works every time. I do have a list, and I'm checking it twice. And you know I'm going to see who's naughty or nice. All right, we have hamburger creamer and rolls. And I can't remember whether the rolls I want are here or Roadrunner. It might be Roadrunner. We'll check. I can't remember. No, it's here. It's here. It's called snowflake rolls. All right. All right, we'll point this down so we don't get the employees on camera.
Hi there.
Hi. I'd like 5 pounds of the lean ground round.
5 pounds?
Yeah, and if it's easier for you to put it in 2 packages, that's fine. Whatever's easiest for you.
Okay, so 2.5 pounds?
Yeah,
We can do that? Okay.
I'm going to use it all at once, but I know when I've gotten this, it's kind of unwieldy to do 5 pounds in one package. So.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, but I have the camera pointed down, so I don't put employees on camera.
Aww.
Do you want to be on camera?
I don't care.
There. What's your name?
Monica.
Hi, Monica.
Hi.
Look at, she's got like a beautiful reindeer things on there.
I'm a reindeer until after Christmas.
Okay. Okay.
So is it your first time to Quartzsite?
No, I come and I do videos every year.
Yeah?
I'll give you a card.
Yeah, okay, that sounds great.
And I rave about this case here every year.
It is the best.
I just did a video the other day when I was here, and I put a picture of the case on the thumbnail, and it got 7,000 views.
That's awesome. Yes,
But,
everybody come to Quartzsite and try our meat.
well, you know what really blows my mind about your meats is they're high quality, and if you start comparing prices, like to Smith's or something, they're very competitive. And when I did a price comparison to you 2 years ago, you were less on several things. It's amazing.
I take it you feel good about this place.
Oh yeah, you bet. You bet I do. I like both here. I go to here and Roadrunner. Support your local businesses in Quartzsite.
Right.
And beat the high cost by doing what I do, going to the grocery warehouse, liquidation warehouse first, and then come to the independent markets for what wasn't there. And the money that you save at the discount place or the dollar store offsets the little bit higher prices because they don't have the buying power here of Walmart or the dollar store. But it sure is fun shopping really good independent grocery stores. And I'll show you the rest of the case here because I know you want to see all the prices and how good everything looks. Look at that. Look at those T-bones. So this is lean, 90%. It's a dollar. Well, not quite a dollar. It's only 30 cents more a pound. Nothing but the best for Dottie.
5 pounds of ground round.
And I wish I could say it's for me. It's not. It's for Dottie. I use this to make her her homemade dog food.
All right, and Rob?
Rob. I'm Rob.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'll look you up.
Okay.
Hi, what can I get for you?
All right. So we'll find some creamer back here. And this
You've been waited on.
this is the hot food place, and people love this. It's tasty and it's thrifty, and you often around lunchtime find a line here. And here we go, we have some half and half. I think that was everything on my list. And if you didn't see my video the other day on this, let me just show you the rest of the store while I'm here. Oh, I need eggs. I didn't even put that on the list, and I realized I need eggs. Boy, $3.99 for a dozen eggs. I remember last year, they're almost $10. Almost $10. And there's some nice produce. It's not huge, but it's all fresh and nice. Oh, and I need to show something else, because people were asking me about liquor. And I don't drink, so I didn't know. But I think there's wine here, but I think there's liquor somewhere. Let me look. Let me see. Maybe not. There's beer. Well, maybe the other store has it. But there's definitely beer and wine here. But not regular liquor. Anything here would ruin my diabetes thing. So we're gonna point the camera down and get in line. Good. Go ahead. Yeah, you were here first. So I am gonna miss my sweet desserts.
Have a good day.
In the bag. Cheap card? Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off for now. Okay, we paid. We're on our way back. And Dottie will be happy when she sees me cooking her Dottie dog food. That's going to be it for today's video. We'll see you tomorrow for another one in Quartzsite, Arizona.